Welcome to another video in the series Developing Applications with SharePoint 2013. This video covers creating workflows in SharePoint 2013. SharePoint 2013 workflows are powered by Windows Workflow Foundation 4. Windows Workflow Foundation is built on the messaging functionality of Windows Communication Foundation, or WCF. This new workflow infrastructure introduces Windows Azure as the new workflow host. The workflow execution engine now lives outside of SharePoint in Windows Azure. Let's see how we can use workflows in SharePoint 2013. My name is Tom Kinser and I'm your host throughout this video series. I'm a Microsoft certified developer and trainer in SharePoint, SQL Server, BizTalk, web, and Windows development using C#. I've worked in the medical industry building applications for financial management and research analysis, as well as training thousands of students to use development tools such as Visual Studio. I've worked with Mark Dunn of Dunn Trading for the... So let's run through a quick demo on using Visio 2013 to begin building a workflow for SharePoint 2013. We're going to create a new workflow, add conditions and actions, check for errors, and then save the Visio document. Okay, I've opened Visio 2013. Notice the templates that are listed here. We're going to choose Flowchart. Under Flowchart, notice that we have two selections, SharePoint 2010 workflow and a SharePoint 2013 workflow. We are going to choose the 2013 workflow, set the unit of measure to US units, and create. This will bring in all the stencils, and you'll notice we have actions, conditions, and components. These are all designed specifically for 2013. In fact, you cannot use the shapes for 2010. You must use the ones for 2013. Now we're going to build a very simple business process, something that's not even practical, but just to focus on designing the workflow. All right, now we need to expose that data, and we do that by adding another item to the same project. So add new item, and we'll scroll down to a WCF Data Service. Now this will expose or turn that model into something that's accessible through a RESTful endpoint. So I'm gonna name this one HR Data Service. Click Add, brings up the code template, and I need to replace the type that's between the angle brackets. This is a generic type. If I type in HR, it should give me all the ones that are available types, and I'm going to make this a data service of HR container. Uncomment the set entity set access rule. Change my entity set to an asterisk, which means everything. And we could just leave this other comment in, or could take it out to keep it as simple as possible. And that should be it. We'll set this as the start page and hit F5. To serve